Hi guys, it's Simon here. I'm back with more news about artificial intelligence and machine learning. Let's start. The Next Web reports that scientists have developed an artificial intelligence that can generate music from silent piano performances just by watching the movements of the player's hands. The system, called Audio, analyzes top-down videos of someone tickling the ivories to predict which keys are being pressed in each frame. It then produces a transcript of the music, which a synthesizer translates into sound. AI Authority reports that Ecopia AI and Airbus has partnered to provide next-generation digital maps on a global scale. Ecopia will have access to Airbus' global premium 50 cm high-resolution imagery database, applying their industry-leading artificial intelligence-based systems to extract vector maps on a city-to-continental scale with the accuracy of a GIS professional. These vector maps, known as Ecopia vector maps, will be available within the Airbus One Atlas platform and upon request, and can be ordered for any location across the globe, empowering users with precise insights in just a few clicks. The Verge reports that the creator of a series of spookily real Tom Cruise deepfake videos that have gone viral on TikTok says the clips take weeks of work and that the public shouldn't be too concerned with one-click fakes. You can't do it by just pressing a button, says you. That's important, that's a message I want to tell people. Each clip took weeks of work, he says, using the open source Deepfake Lab algorithm as well as established video editing tools. By combining traditional CGI and VFX with deepfakes, it makes it better. I make sure you don't see any of the glitches. VentureBeat reports that a study warns deepfakes can fool facial recognition. Researchers were able to fool Microsoft and Amazon face recognition services using deepfakes. The researchers chose to benchmark facial recognition APIs from Microsoft and Amazon because both companies offer services to recognize celebrity faces. Microsoft's Azure Cognitive Services in particular was fooled by as many as 78% of deepfakes, mistaking them for real images of celebrities. But all of the APIs were susceptible to being fooled by the deepfakes. The researchers also proposed practical defense strategies to mitigate attacks, reducing the attack success rates to as low as 0% and 0.02% for targeted and non-targeted attacks, respectively. CNBC reports that China is going to focus on frontier tech from chips to quantum computing. China is looking to boost research into what it calls frontier technology as it competes with the US for supremacy in the latest innovations. China listed artificial intelligence and brain science as among the frontier technologies it plans to focus on in the next 5 years and beyond. The country is seeking to increase research and development in advanced technologies to boost its domestic offerings and better compete with the United States. In the AI arena, China is focusing on developing chips for AI applications along with open source algorithms. It's also emphasizing machine learning in decision making and other areas. Premier Li Keqiang said that China would increase research and development spending by more than 70% per year between 2021 and 2025 in pursuit of major breakthroughs in technology. Forbes reports that Skydio, a company founded by Google veterans and backed by $340 million from major venture capitals, claims to be shipping the most advanced AI-powered drone ever built, a quadcopter that costs as little as $1,000, which can latch on to targets and follow them, dodging all sorts of obstacles and capturing everything on high-quality video, and that its software can even predict a target's next move, be that a target, a pedestrian, or a car. By Forbes' calculation, more than 20 police agencies across the US now have Skydio as part of their drone fleets, including major cities like Austin and Boston. The technology is futuristic but not exactly brand new, says Forbes. China-based DJI has been making drones with similar autonomous flying features since at least 2016 and has a significant market advantage. Skydio's real advantage might simply be that it is not Chinese. The company bills itself as an all-American alternative to DJI indeed. Okay guys, it's all for today. See you next time. Bye.